Moumita emotional behavior disorder. So actually, it is a vast topic and very deep conversation we had. Though we have ended with a very light mode, and the insightful session actually brings a very knowledgeable, very reflective session on us, because how do we tackling in our daily life? That is very important. To being an educator, facilitator, or being a mother, it is very important to know all each aspect of everyone's contributions, that how we can implement into our daily life. And to deal with this kind of specific children, those who are completely different than others, is not so easy, because all are very unique, as I started in this webinar with. So I feel everyone comes with a different strategy of their dealings and everything. So, but though seriously, I never prepared for this webinar, though I have a lot of in my plates right now. I cannot accumulate everything at a time. So, but still I'm completely making myself free for this 3 hours every Sunday, that I could spend a very nice session with ACT. And it is really I'm blessed and I'm privileged to have such kind of conversation, and these total points I have jotted down. So thank you to all of you, Anamika ma'am and Kuhu ma'am, and to all the participants. And hats off to the mothers, those who are dealing with these special kids.